Blue. Hey!
Remember to hit that bell, like, subscribe, Joshua Hawkins.
They do. I told you that. I put them in a tube and they go right up. No, I got 1, 2, 3, 4. Over there I got 3 more, and that's it.
They're fun.
It's fine. You got a professional doing it. All right, let's get it. How's it going?
That one looks like a good one. If this,
Let's see.
what if this is pink?
Oh, it was a nice one.
That one was a good one. That one sparkled.
Yeah, sparkle.
Josh, I hope they
This is it. 5 more, and that's it. Then we got the whole case you can throw away tomorrow. We're all happy. Yo, let's get it. That was a Christmas looking one.
That was a good one.
That was pretty.
Where's the pink one at?
I don't know. It's going to be completely random.
That was green.
That was a green one.
3, 2, 2.
Hey, that was a pink one.
That was a pink. That was red.
That was your pink one.
That was pink. Okay.
All right, all right.
2 more, dude.
2 more. 2 more.
2. That was yellow.
That looked gold to me.
That was yellow.
Yellow? Last one, D. This one's for you.
For you, D.
I kissed it. This one's for Grandpa John. This one's for Grandpa John. Here we go, man. Ew. That means it's going to be a good Christmas. Red and green. That's it. No more.
Bye.
Remember to smash that like button.